Hey everyone, welcome back to SoftGPT, your go-to spot for the coolest AI tools out there. Today, we've got something that's seriously going to change the way we code. Meet CodeLLM by Abacus AI, a supercharged AI code editor that brings the power of multiple large language models like Sonnet, Gemini, DeepSeek, O1, and more right to your fingertips. You get this entire AI toolkit for just $10 a month. Yep, both CodeLLM and ChatLLM together. Let's dive in and see why this might just be the smartest upgrade to your coding workflow yet. After installing, we're greeted with a VS Code-like interface, but now with access to powerful AI models like Sonnet, Gemini, DeepSeek, O1, and more. These models are ready to assist us with everything from generating code to debugging and improving our projects. Let's put it to the test by creating a folder and opening it in CodeLLM. We're going to build a fun little project, a web-based tic-tac-toe game. The editor gives us two powerful options, chat and agent. We'll start with agent. We simply type, create a web-based tic-tac-toe game. Instantly, CodeLLM generates all the necessary files, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, neatly organized and ready to go. It even tells us to open the HTML file to view the game in the browser. Once we do that, boom! There's the game, beautifully functional and ready to play. Everything from the layout to the logic is handled. CodeLLM didn't just generate code, it delivered a complete, clean, and runnable project. Now, let's explore the edit feature. We select the entire JavaScript file and press Ctrl+I to trigger edit mode. Then, we ask it to change the player names to SoftGPT and Abacus. It suggests the right edits and we accept them. And let's play the game. But here's where things get interesting. We accidentally accepted a suggestion that replaced the X and O markers with the player names. Uh-oh, that introduced a bug. No worries though, with CodeLLM, fixing bugs is just as easy. We tell the agent, fix the bug so the board shows X and O instead of player names. In seconds, it rewrites the logic and the game is back to normal. This kind of smart debugging is a massive time saver. Whether we make a mistake or run into something unexpected, CodeLLM is there to help us fix it fast. And there's more. Let's talk about autocomplete. As we write functions or variables, CodeLLM intelligently suggests completions. Just press tab and the code is inserted automatically. It's fast, accurate, and helps us maintain clean code without breaking our flow. This alone makes it an incredible productivity booster. Now, let's try out the chat feature. First, we ask what it thinks about the coding practices used in the tic-tac-toe game. It analyzes the code and gives us smart feedback. Plus, it suggests a small improvement we can directly insert into the file. Next, we push it further. If SoftGPT wins, change the background to yellow. If Abacus wins, change it to green. The AI updates two functions, and after replacing the older code, we test it. Boom! It works perfectly. Now the game not only runs smoothly, but it's also visually dynamic based on the winner. From building a full project to refining, debugging, and upgrading it, CodeLLM handles it all. Combined with ChatLLM, this is hands down one of the most powerful tools we've used. Whether we're beginners or experienced developers, this editor helps us write better code, faster, and even fixes our bugs along the way. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to SoftGPT and tap the bell icon so you never miss an AI-powered update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.